I do believe in gifts, and I believe that my gift is the gift of the pain and the suffering that I went through and sometimes still go through. Certain things you just can't talk to someone about or educate them on if you haven't experienced these certain situations, circumstances, or whatever it may be. You can't truly talk to somebody and truly understand what you or they are going through unless you have experienced similar or the same circumstances. And I don't I ain't gonna say I never liked the fact that I went through what I went through, but I'm okay with what I went through because now I can share my experience and help somebody else through whatever they're going through that might be going through what I went through.